Hello guys, I am Mort Baya with my classmates Khalid Khalida, Khafla Sabrina and Karish Misa from groups 2 and 3, and today we will present our third and last project of Mr. Utm Zabat. In this project we will see the abstract, introduction, sample, contextual features, features of the text type, the role of parts, and conclusion. This abstract describes a simple expository, which is a text type used in the academic domain, specifically in university studies and research within the discipline of psychology. The purpose of this text type is to aim to highlight the multifaceted significance of case studies in clinical psychology. This paper presentation delves into the world of psychology case studies. It highlights how these studies serve as powerful tools in both academic and research settings within clinical psychology. This paper presentation was written by four Master 1 students: Khalid Madiha Madani Hana, Kinan Sabrina, Imada Lucilia, in the field of clinical psychology at Bijaya University. The topic of their presentation was presentation on the borderline personality structure. This presentation was delivered and presented in class by the four students. It is generally written at home or in group as a library. This kind of presentation on borderline personality structure communicates a multifaceted picture depending on the audience. For the public, they raise awareness about symptoms like emotional instability, relationship struggles, and self-image issues, explaining potential causes and treatment options while combating stigma. For professionals, they delve into diagnostic criteria, differential diagnosis, and evidence-based treatment approaches like therapy and medication, including specific techniques and new research findings. Then we move to the features of this text type. First, we had presentation on the borderline personality structure, which contains work plan, nosological situation, psychothic lineage, bibliographic lists, borderline states and their arrangements, stable developments, and character development. And as we know, the main parts, subparts, and stages are introduction, genetic point of view, nosological situation, which contains psychothic lineage and neurotic lineage, and borderline organization, economic organization, acute evolutions, stable evolutions, characterological arrangements, which contains neurosis of character, psychosis of character, and perversion of character. And the last one is perverse arrangement. Then the role of the main parts and subparts. Introduction dives into the history of borderline states, tracing their evolution from early descriptions to Freud's contributions. Then we have the importance of genetic point of view, which is building on distinction between neurotic and psychotic structures. Then the nosological situation, which clarifies the position of borderline states within the established framework of psychological structures, and which contains psychothic lineage and neurotic lineage. Then we continue with importance of borderline organization, which delves into the unique space between neurosis and psychosis occupied by borderline states. And the economic organization section portrays borderline states as a distinct defense system against fragmentation and depression. Next one is the acute evolution section, which delves into the potential for sudden shifts in borderline states. Then there is the stable developments, which signify its shift towards two distinct defense mechanisms: the characterological arrangements and the perverse arrangements. Then there is character development, which contains the character neurosis, the character psychosis, and character perversion. And the last one is perverse arrangement, which explores the relationships between various forms of sexuality. In conclusion, we can say that understanding borderline personality structure is crucial for the academic community as it unlocks doors to more accurate research, improved professional training, enhanced research ethics, and broader knowledge contribution. That was all about the third project. Thank you for watching.